Hey guys, today we have this 2009 Land Rover Range Rover with 4.2 liter supercharged engine. We're going to be doing an oil change. We'll be using this Castrol Euro car with 5W30. Look, there's a Motorcraft Ford, but that fits with that engine. And the reason we're using 5W30, let me open this up. Let's see. There you go. This one recommends the Land Rover Castrol 5W30. So this has V8 engine. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the hood. Let's go ahead and open this cap. You just leave it there. And then let's lift the truck up. Alright, so once we have the truck lifted, we're gonna go underneath and find the oil drain plug. Normally you will have a splash shield in here underneath. I don't have any, so if you do, you have to remove those. Then you can actually see the oil filter here, so you can see that one. So when you look straight down, this is your oil drain plug right here. And that one is a size 13. Let's see what we have here. 13mm socket. And that fits right in there. So before you open this one up, what I normally do, I get a cardboard, because once you open that up, it will splatter here in your subframe. So what I would do is, I'll show you real quick. I'll put it here. I made a slot here that goes to the axle, to the passenger side axle. So I put it there. So when I hit that, when I open that one, it will hit the cardboard and it'll go down to our pan. I'll show you here. Put it about this way. Okay. So I'm gonna lose this real quick. Loosen this up. All right. I got my oil drain pan here meeting. And I will have this. Let that drip there. So I'm gonna open this up. We're gonna make a mess here, so be ready. I have a rag too. So ready? That's it. There you go. See how I do it? No mess. There you go. It's gonna be a lot. This takes about 8 quarts, so two gallon the oil. It's pretty dirty. So we're just gonna wait until we got all that out. Now, it's not a lot now. I'm gonna remove these. There you go. It's catching everything. I don't think I have plenty in there, so I have to make sure that's pretty good. And I'm just gonna throw this out. All right. All right, So as you can see, I don't think it's a lot of oil in there. It looked like this has been oil changed for a while, or it's been having consuming oil. So I'm gonna clean that. So I'm gonna do, I'll pour some oil in here so it will let the old oil run through whatever underneath the pan. Check it out. You can see that one is clear oil already, so that is good. So now I'm gonna go ahead clean this plug, and this one doesn't have, well, they have a gas, it has a little o-ring gasket. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that one. All right, so the gasket that was inside is right here. I removed it already. Just look a little bit flat. I'll show you. Gasket on the oil pan. Drain plug. So you can see, quite flat. So I have let me see, some new gaskets here. I think it fits about the same. So let's try it out. I think it's gonna seal pretty good. So let's remove this old one. I know you can probably buy this brand new somewhere, but that's what I have. So I have this new gasket here. Tested already. It's thicker. It will conform once it's pressed down, so should be okay. I'm gonna go ahead put this in install it. All right, so you can see it's still dripping just a little bit. That is fine. Just gonna clean that out. And we can install this with the new gasket that we have. Make sure you just go center before we tighten it. So you can see that one is kind of like moving there, but that's fine. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead, tighten this one. Make sure the gasket is in the middle. Let's go ahead. Let's see. I'm just gonna hand tight this one. I know there's a torque spec for this, but I don't think it's a big deal for me. I'm gonna watch the oil if it's dripping here. So there you go. All right, that's pretty tight. The next stop, we're gonna go ahead do the oil filter, which is right down here. Let's go ahead, loose that up, and a few more oil gonna drip. We go ahead install this one here, and then just grab that one out. There you go. There you go. Start spinning. As long as it's spinning, should be able to take it out by my hand, or unless you want to do it with two hands. There you go. That's spinning. Make sure you have your pan, gotta catch it. All the oil that's gonna come out. There you go. Let's go ahead and drain that slowly, and then just clean that area. All right, that one is out, guys. Go ahead, just let that drip for a little bit. So this one they use an an OEM filter for this. As you can see, genuine part LRO31439. That's good. And I'm not even using it. So we have here, I clean it up, clean that area, and let's see. First I'm gonna test and try my new one if it really fits. I think it will fit. Let's see if we got this fit pretty good. Oh yeah, it's going in. So this is fit. So this one is good. The Ford one fits pretty good. So this is oil filter Motorcraft by Ford. So it fits pretty well. So I'm gonna prime this one, get some oil, and let's see. All right. So let's go ahead, open up our oil, Castrol Edge. Go ahead, prime this one up, put some fuel oil in there, and then run some oil in that gasket so it will seal pretty good. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, let's go ahead, clean that area again where the filter go in, and put our new filter. And you can use two hands if you want to tighten this up. Get in the room. And move my hand out and away. Then I'm gonna get this one. Filter wrench. Let's see. And this one fits. I think it fits properly. It was a while ago. So now I guess I'm gonna use my arm. This doesn't fit. So I'm just gonna use my hands to tighten it. Two hands. Should be fine. If you like, another trick is get a sandpaper. Just gonna put it here by the end, then yes, spin it. There you go. After this, we're gonna go ahead, put some oil. It needs two gallons, which is 8 quarts. Okay, that's tight. I'll clean it up. Area. Right. Alright, so that's good. Alright, so let's go ahead on top and put some oil in it. Alright, so from here I'm just gonna pour the whole 2 gallon 8 quarts of this Castrol Edge 5W30, and then we're gonna measure that. We're gonna warm up the car and then we're gonna measure it. Right, 2 more. All right, so that's good enough. Let's go ahead and put that in the side. Close this one. All right, and let's go ahead and start the car. So it will be warmed up. Then we're gonna measure the level. I'll wait for like about 5 minutes, 10, and then we'll measure it. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. go ahead and check the fluid of this. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna pull this one out. Let's clean it. Oh, let me get out. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this up. Let's check the level. I don't know if you can see that, but I dipped it in there. And it's pretty good to me. Let me see. Might be a little over. Yeah, I put a little bit too much. A little bit too much here. It's on the max. I'm gonna go ahead and drain a little bit more of that. Then that should be it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead check underneath if there's any oil leak on the filter or in the plugs. Just for double check it. Alright, I don't see any leaks. Same as yeah, that's pretty dry. That's pretty good. I'll take that. Alright, so before we forget, we have to reset the oil maintenance. The lights are not on, but we're gonna reset that. Turn on the car using this ANCEL LD700. We're gonna do oil reset, and this is specific for Land Rover. Press OK. It's communicating. Make sure you're in the off position. It's communicating. There you go. It says service interval. So press OK. Make sure the ignition is switched on, engine off, and the vehicle battery can't be below 12 volts. Press OK. Communicating. Set the position to off position. And OK. Please wait while the module initializes. So there you go. You can hear it. That one says complete. Press OK. Set the ignition to on. Then press OK. Press the ignition switch to off. Then press OK. Please wait while the module initializes. Complete. Press OK. Ignition to on. And press OK. Procedure successful. Alright, press OK. Make sure the ignition is switched on. That's on. Press OK. Next procedure will be carry out complete vehicle diagnostic clear codes. Continue. No, we're not gonna clear the codes. Escape. So diagnostic code clear. And reread aborted. Okay. Switch to off. Okay. That's it. So we're done. We reset it. No problem. Alright guys, so that's it guys. We have an oil change on this LR Land Rover Range Rover L322 4.2 liter supercharged V8 engine. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that. To the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.